So guys, we are doing some game named Pilot Training. I didn't ever seen this thing. So I'm playing this Pilot Training Flight Simulator. So I think it's still ignore one. I think I pooped. I'm almost pooped, but I seem so annoying. Sorry. Can I add the voice? This Pilot Training Flight Simulator. Ah! Yes! So, 51 second or 54 second. This 54 second or I didn't ever seen. We didn't still see that. I'm doing Micro Pro. This I have this in cargo, guys. Per and torn. Ready to spam? Oh. So guys, this the comment why. Who's this? That's so cool. Amazing, but these airplanes, but this pilot training is so popular. So lag. So guys, I have the Game Pass. So on the card. So I have this thing, or I have buy it. So look, what's happening here? Watch it. Look, wait for it. That's cool, right? But I just do that. So look, watch it, guys. There, see? Cool, right? So, Jesse, watch that. I didn't ever see this thing what I like. It's my favorite thing. What I just so I like this. I don't know this thing was named. I didn't still lag because I tell you now the game, right? It's open. Come gonna close.
Tapos, sakto naman ang na sobrang baksak presyo dyan sa SM ng sapatos. 50%, yung dati 6,000 naging 1,800 na lang. Nila na lang ng pang basketball para lang encourage siya ba?
I'm so So hot.
So hot. Ako ngawin ng manat. Iwa ko po kanin ni Eva. Sarap. Ano yun ito? Paborito namin yan. Paborito namin si Mami.
Ah!
Malis ka yan.